Hey guys, it's Anshita and welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm going out and I'm all ready. Just there's one thing missing, which is my makeup. So I thought to sharing it with you guys that how I do my makeup on day-to-day basis, and keeping in the mind that it's summer. So I want to use a very minimal products in summer, but I want to do look good. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So the first thing I'll use here is this. This is a biotic, ultra soothing face lotion plus sunscreen. So it is very important to use moisturize your skin and at the same time use sunscreen. The story of every day. मतलब मेरे से कोई प्रोडक्ट खुलता नहीं है, मेरे से कोई प्रोडक्ट निकलता नहीं है, and you know what, I get so irritated. Thanks. So I'm taking this smudge and I'm going to apply it on my face and as well as on my neck. The best part about this lotion and sunscreen is it's so light on my face and it doesn't give me that white wala tint on my face as most of the sunscreen gives you. So you can see my face is shining now because of sunscreen I have used from Biotic. Yup, so my skin is all prepped up. Now I'll use a little amount of foundation on my face, and here I am using Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the shade Ivory. I'll be using like really small amount of on my face, and that's it because I don't want much foundation in summers on my face. And अब मैं स्पॉन्ज से इसको अच्छे से डैप करूँगी स्किन में. Just in 2 minutes you'll see the magic. And your base is ready. It's ready. And now what? Now I use Kajal. Kajal is my one product that I use on day-to-day basis. And the kajal I'm using here is Faces Canada Intense Gel Kajal. It's a really amazing kajal. I'll be attaching the link of the products in description box. So if you guys want to try it, please check it out. A very small amount of kajal again. Yeah, I think that's enough for eyes. The next step is my eyebrows. It's very important and I use mostly this eyebrow pencil from Miss Claire and it's amazing. can see the difference. So eyebrows आपका पूरा look enhance करता है. So it's one of my favorite makeup steps which I do on everyday basis. So I'm done with my eyebrows. Now I'm going to use a mascara from Maybelline. Again, the same story. I cannot open it. The wand of this mascara, you can see, is really amazing. And it's not waterproof, because I don't like using waterproof mascara because वो easily मेकअप क्लीन करते वक्त बाहर नहीं आता. So I don't prefer using much. But yeah, when I am going out for a party or wedding, then I use waterproof mascara. You can see here, I love mascara, guys. Now I'll use this palette from Sivana. This is the Ultra Blush Palette 03, and I'm using this peach shade here because it's summers. What all you love to use is peaches, pinks, corals. So yeah. As this is my daily makeup routine, I don't like to use a lot of products on my face. That's it. And now I'll take a pinch of the same shade and I'll apply it on my as eyeshadow here. Yep, so that's it. Now the final step is lipstick, which completes your makeup. So I'm using this lipstick from Color Bar in shade 002 Royal Pink. So this is a kiss proof lip satin from Color Bar. So this is quite good lipstick and I really like it. It's not transferable one, so it stays for like good 5-6 hours on your lips. And because it's summers, as I said, so because it's a summer, as I said earlier, that I love to use peaches and pinks, so I'm using the shade Royal Pink right here. And that's it, my final look. So yes guys, this is my final look, and this whole look I created in just 5 minutes, trust me. And you guys can also do the same. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. And guys, if you like it, please subscribe to my channel, give big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and guys, please let me know in comment section below. Guys, please talk to me, yeah? It feels like I'm talking alone. Okay, so please comment second what I'm saying. Okay, so please comment down below which next look or next video you want, and also let me know if you like this makeup look or not. Until then, bye bye.